to help you get the best resolution under the IRS guidelines. Help is here to deal with the IRS to reduce your stress. We've handled thousands of cases, so we know what we're doing. If you owe $10,000 or more in back taxes, do not call the IRS alone. Call a tax doctor now for a tax emergency analysis.
Oh, hey, Matthew! Where have you been? Not many places. Just visited the Webtoon Hall of Fame across town. Webtoon Hall of Fame? What's that? Oh, it is fantastic. It's where statues of cartoon characters from many different web series across the internet are displayed, so they can be remembered and appreciated for eons to come. Wow! Was there a statue for you? No.
Hello, everyone. This is the emergency alert system, broadcasting at the request of, hey, you're not paying attention to me. Please watch me present this emergency message. This is a test for the EAS handbook guide. Please remember that these emergency alert protocols can be used for severe weather drills, child abduction emergencies, or even other certain emergencies. Hey, you're still not paying attention to me. You just want this emergency alert to hurry up just so you could get back to your dull Cartoon Mania episode airing on Stupid Star Network. Even though I'm the announcer guy for the channel, I have never taken any breaks because of my emergency alert protocol presentations. God, you're fine with that? I need to make a living too, you know. Seriously, we didn't even know what residuals were back then in the 1990s. I would kill myself right now if I continued this nonsense. So listen right now. You'll need